It's a well-known fact that effective and powerful communication is vital to any organization's success, regardless of industry. In any case, to genuinely comprehend the stuff to impart successfully, you should initially understand the distinctive cultural factors that impact how individuals communicate. Our world is more interconnected any other time in recent memory, a reality that has offered ascent to numerous changes in the manners that businesses and organizations work. Working environments are different, remote teams are scattered across the nation or worldwide, and organizations that once sold products to a solitary demographic might now sell to a worldwide market. These components have converged to make diverse and cross-cultural communication a crucial part of the authoritative achievement. Here's a glance at why cross-cultural communication is significant in the working environment, and the steps you can take to conquer cultural barriers and improve correspondence within your organization. Why is cross-cultural communication significant? To be successful in any industry, associations need to comprehend employees, clients, financial specialists, and other audiences' communication skills. Mindfulness and readiness to adjust and allow for data exchange regardless of cultural values, standards, and practices that may fluctuate between audiences. Culture significantly impacts on profitability and productivity. Like this, it is essential to be cognizant of the fact that employees from various backgrounds persuaded by various incentives respond diversely to different management and communication skills. How to improve cross-cultural communication and trust. Embrace nimbleness. The failure or reluctance to adapt to change is a typical barrier to cross-cultural communication skills. Regularly, individuals are hesitant to acknowledge new things because of an unconscious fear that doing so will change their way of life or belief framework somehow. If these suppositions are not addressed, actions can be hostile to individual and hierarchical development. By getting mindful of oblivious boundaries or subliminal predispositions, individuals can turn out to be more open to adapting. Organizations need to focus on continuous improvement, which requires a specific level of adaptability and readiness to attempt various things. Lamentably, there is no one-size-fits-all solution to this problem. Or maybe, an ideal approach to address the issue frequently includes beginning on an individual level. Become aware and mindful. Another significant advance to improving cross-cultural communication in the work environment is to turn out to be all the more culturally and self-aware individual. On an individual level, you should put forth an attempt to acknowledge your implicit predispositions and assumptions that influence how you interact with others. Although this might be quite difficult, you can begin by making a conscious attempt to empathize with your audience and gain a superior comprehension of their perspective. All through this cycle, you ought to ask how your mission and company values characterize, regardless of whether they are comprehensive, and whether the team's various cultures have been taken into consideration. Performing this analysis will give you a smart thought of the state of your corporate culture, including areas in your organizational communication methodology that you can improve to more readily serve your team members and accomplish your objectives. Structure the team for success and progress. Ensure your culturally diverse team has a reasonable and compelling direction and that you have access to information and the appropriate assets they need to carry out their mission effectively. Ensure senior leaders of the organization and stakeholders are on board with your global team's purpose and mission and that your team realizes they have upheld from upper administration and senior company pioneers. Given the built-in challenges your global team faces, to begin with, it is fundamental to ensure your team staffed with as many inquisitive, adaptable, insightful and emotionally stable individuals as possible. Comprehend the cross-cultural makeup of your team. As a team leader, you should have the option to comprehend the different cultures, the language contrasts, and how language is utilized in your team members' various cultures. For instance, if your team comprises of a few Germans and some Koreans, you may figure that feedback will be a cultural tripwire. Germans are open to giving immediate, uncensored feedback, while the opposite is regular in Korea except the conversation is between a senior member and a junior colleague. Be aware of these sorts of communication skills and patterns. They can help you dampen tension and resolve matters successfully. Address conflict right away. Strife will emerge in any team, yet for a cross-cultural team, conflict creates pressure that escalates rapidly. As a business pioneer, you should have the option to comprehend the cultural perspectives and manners by which conflict plays out between individuals from different backgrounds. Building the scaffold between two parties who conflict requires a comprehension of direct and indirect correspondence styles, just as availability to have open group discussions about the contention, or realize when not to discuss it transparently, yet preferably in private with specific individuals' conflict. Everything relies upon the individuals involved in the current circumstance. Conclusion. Cross-cultural communication in business and trust is the glue that makes global teams function and works well, but it doesn't happen overnight. A team composed of socially and culturally diverse individuals expects the motivation to make things work. Applying a portion of the tips referenced above will put you and your team in a superior position to leverage diversity benefits while limiting its challenges.